Welcome to our lesson about the 2D or two-dimensional fillet. I've already got some geometry in my graphic area, and now I'm going to activate the 2D fillet tool. Let's take a look at Phillip Parameters. You see that I've got 10 millimeters as my default radius value. Now I click on the corners to which I want to apply fillets. Accept. SOLIDWORKS added 2 fillets in the graphic area, and an equal relation and dimensions as well. One way to modify the fillet is to double-click on the dimension, and let's change the radius value to 20 millimeters. Let's undo that. And let's activate the tool again. We've also got the option to create dimensions for each fillet separately and uniquely. Now, instead of adding an equal relation to the fillet, each fillet is dimensioned separately. Let's undo. Deselect everything by clicking in blank space, activate the tool again. You'll notice that all the geometry in my graphic area is currently underdefined. In order to demonstrate this option, keep constrained corners, I'm going to need to constrain my geometry first. I'll select this vertex of the rectangle and the origin point, apply a coincident relation. Now let's dimension this line. We'll just accept the default values. Right-click and select to close the tool. Now let's activate the Sketch Fillet command. Let's select a few corners. SOLIDWORKS gives us a warning. Yes. And let's accept. And as you see, we've got a problem. Let's undo. Deselect everything. Activate the Sketch Fillet command. This time, I'm going to check Keep Constrained Corners. Let's apply fillet to these 2 corners, accept, and we see the results. Let's activate the tool again, and let's apply some fillets to intersecting geometry. Okay. And let's undo that. Activate the tool again, and select here and here. The position of the fillet depends upon the side from which you make your selection. Let's activate the tool again, and let's select this line and this line. As you can see, in order to add fillets, the lines don't actually have to intersect. Let's click OK. And this concludes our lesson about applying two-dimensional fillets.